everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading, and this is the top of our new mobile homestead. We have 16 gauge aluminum roof. I'm going to coat it with Henry's. Right now I've got a turn-to-bond crossed over. We're not finished, of course. 1500 watts plus of solar. If you look real careful, we have 5 max air fans. Fridge vent. This right here is my newest addition, just put it on yesterday. It's a Dish Traveler 1000 automatic satellite receiver. It stows away in traveling. And here's the 5th max air fan vent right there. The reason I'm using 5 of these is if you look real careful, you will not see an air conditioner at all on the roof of this camper. And the reason for this is because we're trying to use this without an air conditioner. We're going to possibly put AC heat pump ductless mini split in for just the main room, but it will not go up on the top of the roof. I used to be a heating and air conditioning contractor, and putting air conditioners on top of a hot roof is kind of a no-no. It doesn't work that good. So that's what our whole idea is. It's going to actually go in the nose cone of the front of the camper. And if you notice, we have our turn-to-bond tape here. As I said before, we're going to end up using the Henry 887 on everything after we're finished, which I'm just about completely done on the roof now. I've got 2 more vents to put in. They'll be just like those sidewinders for my both black water and gray water tanks. That's the front tanks. The other 2 is going to be right over here, coming out right back of this panel, but I've got to take and get them installed. It's a little at a time, you guys, but this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services.